Rounds 1, 5, 9, and 13 work in the same way. You'll notice that all your cables have just crossed. In each cable pair, the right cable will travel further to the right and the left cable will travel to the left. I'm working with the main colored marl. This is a cable and it's going to travel with a T2F1. So that means I put 2 stitches on the cable needle and hold it to the front. I purl the background stitch, and then I look at these design stitches. They're in pink, and I see that pink is in my current marl. So I bring my marl to the back, and then I knit both those stitches through the back loop with only the color of that stitch. Those 2 design stitches in that cable have moved 1 background stitch to the left. Now I'm going to work a T2B1. I take 1 stitch and hold it to the back. And I hold it to the back because the B stands for back. And I look at the 2 design stitches. They're in orange, and orange is not in my current marl. So I'm going to slip those 2 with my marl in back, and then I purl that background stitch from the cable needle. And as I go about working a T2F1 and a T2B1, at every instance, I need to decide if I'm going to work those stitches or slip them, and it depends on the color of the marl.